Heston Elementary School and Middle School is teaming up with the Fabric Workshop Museum, and we're going to be learning how to silkscreen. One of our lesson plans will be about map making, and Anthony Folks, team coordinator and teacher over there, is going to come over to Heston and help me teach it. Our artists will be able to create maps and learn logistics and silkscreen on various surfaces. Our artist reference for this particular lesson will be Mark Bradford, a fabulous painter and works with maps. Our 6th to 8th grade classes will be mapping pre-drawn maps. And this is what we're going to be talking about. Our theme of empathy, we're going to retain that to the mural, but we're going to keep this going.
So they just place their cutouts right on the paper. I have this taped out section that's just an open screen.
And these are our results from the meeting. We printed backgrounds that led us to great ideas in map making with that great reference of Mark Bradford. The students are going to learn, learn, learn.